Let all the earth cry out to God with joy. Let all the earth cry out to God with joy. Shout joyfully to God, all the earth. Sing praise to the glory of His name. Proclaim His glorious praise. See to God, how tremendous are your deeds. Let all the earth cry out to God with joy. Let all on earth worship and sing praise to you. Sing praise to your name. Come and see the works of God, His tremendous deeds among the children of Edom. Let all the earth cry out to God with joy. He has changed the sea into dry land, through the river the fast on full. Therefore let us rejoice in Him. He rose by His might forever. Let all the earth cry out to God with joy. Hear now, all you who fear God, while I declare what He has done for me. Blessed be God who refused me not, my fear or His kindness. Let